Hi viewers! In this video, we're going to learn more about natural hair care with Morrocco Method's Earth Essence Shampoo. An amazing blend of Earth's bounty crafted to enchant and transform. This sulfate-free formula is filled with a bouquet of essential oils and botanical proteins. One of the main ingredients is Montmorillonite clay powder, one of Earth's most wondrous gifts for effectively absorbing excess oil and giving a thicker, fuller appearance to your hair with each use. Embodying the grounding embrace of the earth, this shampoo resonates with the lunar hair cutting goal for thickening hair. As you dance through the elements, allow Earth Essence Shampoo to weave seamlessly into your hair care ritual. Rotating it with our 4 other natural shampoos in a hair cycling routine will give you amazingly healthy and beautiful hair. Morrocco Method's Earth Essence Shampoo blossoms with essential oils such as patchouli, ylang-ylang, and palmarosa, each note a petal in a fragrant bloom. Immerse your senses in an aromatic atmosphere that transcends mere cleansing, elevating your daily routine to an exquisite aromatherapy experience. Because this shampoo is extremely concentrated, we recommend diluting it 50-50 with water to fully unveil the hues of our hand-picked botanicals. Like our other shampoos, Earth Essence is raw, vegan, wild-crafted, and free from synthetic contaminants. For the best results, we recommend washing twice. The first wash loosens dust, dead skin cells, and excess oils from the hair and scalp. The second wash allows the ingredients of the shampoo to reach the scalp and nourish the hair using a longer scalp massage. Choose Earth Essence Shampoo to embrace nature and unveil thicker hair that is cleansed, revitalized, and effervescently beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.